In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage comments in WordPress. The first time you leave a comment on a new blog, chances are pretty high that your comment will go into what is known as moderation. This allows the owner of the blog to have complete control over what shows up on their blog. And so in this case, you can see that the comment that I submitted is awaiting moderation. From your WordPress dashboard, if you see a number next to the comments menu, that means that you have a comment that has not yet been approved. Before we look at that, we're going to take a look at the different ways in which you can set up comments. To do this, you want to go to Settings and then the menu Discussion. There are a bunch of different settings related to how discussions and therefore comments happen within posts. Most important here is to look at the email me whenever so that you know that you'll get an email when a comment comes in. And to set the before a comment appears, you either want to set it to comment must be manual, which means that every single time a comment comes in, it has to be manually approved. Or you can set it to comment author must have had a previous comment approved so that if people that you know are making regular comments on your blog and you trust them, you don't need to continuously approve their comments. Make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen and click Save Changes if you've changed anything. Now let's go to the comments menu and actually approve the comment that is awaiting approval. The red bar and the different color indicate that that particular post has not been approved. You can also click on pending to get all of the pending posts. Those are the ones that have not yet been approved. Once you mouse over the particular post, the menu will show up that allows you to just click approve. And that's all there is to approving comments on blog posts.